This is coming out very nicely so far. My magnets didn't fully hold in properly, so I had to apply some glue. So I'm letting them seat now, or dry now, seat, whatever you want to say. But anyways, I inserted these cylindrical magnets down, so let me flip this over. Ain't that clever? Here's this one in place with the piece. I'm so excited. Things are coming together. And as far as the other part goes, here's the carriage. And it slides pretty smoothly. Even got my brass fitting in there. A little hard to see, but it's there. I'm so excited. I just find this thing fascinating. Boing, 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 boing.